In this video, I'll show you how I made this beat for Tate McRae or any other person who wants to make these kind of 2K, Y2K I think it's called, early 2000s Britney Spears, Timbaland kind of songs. And yeah, it didn't turn out to be so much in the style of Tate McRae as it is a rap song, but I really love this song, so I wanted to show you anyway. What I did here is that I picked out a loop from Splice, a guitar loop, and I just chopped it up. And I picked out another loop from Splice, which is a toms loop, and I chopped that up too. And that turned out to sound like this. I then come in here with some live hi-hats as a layer on top. I have some trap hi-hats, and I have, what else do I have? I have some different samples. I have a rim. I have two rims. I have three rims layered on top of each other to make this really trappy kind of hit. I also have two kicks here. I think one of them is a thump kick from Kashmir and a stomp kick from Kashmir. And on the stomp kick, I have just taken away all of the lows here, just to make room for the original thump kick, which is our main kick. In that way, the two kicks don't clash in the lower register. I also have a short 808 here, playing a very simple pattern. And with the rims and 808 guitar and tom loop and acoustic live drums, it sounds like this. So it already have a lot of bounce, and when I turn on the trap drums here, the bounce just explodes to another level. Oh yeah, I forgot, I have a snare drum here. Just to bring even more movement to the song. So with everything it sounds like this. In the verse section, I've taken out the guitar. Maybe I should just filter this one here. Then the guitar comes back in and leaves some space for the chorus. And when I made this song, I made it for Tate McRae, but it actually turned out to be more of a rap song. And I thought to myself, I've heard this song before, and once I realized what song it is, I searched it up, and it's this one, Love by H and Anne-Marie. I won't play it here, but it sounds almost exactly like this. It's funny that I didn't realize that when I made this song, but it's a good thing I did, because you don't want to steal other people's work. But yeah, this is exactly how I made this very simple beat. So yeah, sounds almost exactly like the H song. That's how I made a beat for Tate McRae, which turned out to be more of a rap song. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm a little bit sick at the moment, so I feel like my voice can't keep up with the way I want to speak. Hope you guys liked the video anyway, and that's everything for this time. See you guys in the next one. Bye.